I want you to just cover and strike. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. What are your hands doing when you do this? Okay. First of all, you want to try to keep the ring spinning without wobbling. I know it's hard. Depending on the ring, it's going to be, if you have a really big ring, it's very hard to keep it from wobbling. Smaller rings are a little bit easier on this one, but just make sure that you cut your hands through the ring on more than 2 points. Okay. So I have my wrist point and the back of my hand scissoring the rings together. So this way I have a really good control when I punch and when I stop. Because now my back of my hand here, my back of my hand here are also holding the ring in place. Boom. Okay. When you wheel, you lose contact for a second, but just come back to that position where the back of your hand is touching the ring and the back of your hand on the bottom is also touching the ring and your fist is face height. When you backhand wheels forward, make it do this. Cup and pull down. Cup. I can't keep the ring straight when I talk about it. Cup, punch, lopsow and punch. I'm pulling my opponent's hand down and then punching them in the face, right? So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 second.